Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is AHMAD HAFIZAN bin MOHTAR with number matrix of 2023-214052, and today I will present my group assignment. But before we get to the introduction, I would like to introduce my group members.
My name is Wafiy bin Azmi. My number matrix is 23436314.
Assalamualaikum, my name is FARIS. My number matrix number is 2023226128.
I will proceed with the introduction. Road traffic accidents are complex events resulting primarily from human, technical, and environmental contributing factors. Design of streets with traffic signals and stop signs, as well as overall organization of road traffic control by traffic police, are major factors that influence the frequency and severity of motor vehicle collisions in urban areas. Traffic police have the responsibility of collecting and analyzing these crashes, and a review of motor vehicle collisions can be compiled from their reports.
Now I will talk about problem statement. Addis Ababa is the capital and largest city of Ethiopia. It's among the top countries in terms of the numbers of death and injuries that are caused by automobile accidents. Every government in the world has the same overarching goal, which is to protect their citizens from harm. Therefore, studying the reason behind the road traffic accident is important as it helps us to understand why the incidents occur. That's why we go to objectives. In our research, we have three objectives, which is to analyze the measure of central tendency data of traffic accident, such as mean, mode, and median. The second one is to determine the shape of data distribution for quantitative data. And the last one is to represent traffic accident in the descriptive statistic. Now I will talk about method of correlation and methodology. Variable is element of factor that can be manipulated, controlled, or measured in research. So in our research, we are using qualitative and quantitative variable to help us understand the pattern, causes, and effect of traffic accidents. We use 6 variables, which is we have 2 quantitative and 4 qualitative variables. We obtain secondary data from Google.com involving a population of 12,316 drivers. Following the guideline provided by Griffiths and Morgan's table, the recommended sample size is 373 drivers. We utilize a computer to generate random numbers through simple random sampling technique, and the analysis presented includes the sample that was selected as a result. So the first variable is gender, and the type of variable is qualitative. The measurement scale is nominal, and we use it for simple bar chart in analysis. Next variable is driving experience, which is the type of variable is quantitative. Measurement scale is ratio, and we use it for throughput data, or give histogram, and to find the mean, mode, and median. The third one is area accident occurred. The type of variable is qualitative. Measurement scale is ordinal, and we use it in pie chart. Type of collision is the next variable, and the type of variable is qualitative. Measurement scale is nominal, and we also use it in pie chart. The last one is age of driver. Type of variable is quantitative. Measurement scale is ratio, and we use it in input data, or give histogram, and to find the mean, mode, and median.
Next, we will take a look at analysis of ungrouped data. First, we analyze data from type of collision using pie chart. There are 7 types of collision. Collision with roadside parked vehicle, vehicle with vehicle collision, collision with roadside object, collision with animal, rollover, fall from vehicle, and collision with pedestrian. From the pie chart, the highest of collision in an accident is vehicle with vehicle collision with percentage of 66%, while lowest type of collision in an accident is fall from vehicle with percentage of 1%. Then we also analyze data of area of accident occur with pie chart. As we can see, there are many areas of accident can occur in our data like following: residential areas, office areas, recreational areas, industrial areas, church areas, rural village areas, hospital areas, school areas, outside rural areas, and other areas. From the pie chart, we can see that other area has highest percentage of accident with 33%, while the lowest is rural village area with percentage of 1%. Apart from that, we made a simple bar chart to compare driver gender. As we can see, male is tend to accident than a female. Next, let's move to the analysis of group data. We analyze this data by plotting ogive and histogram. We take two data to analyze in this part. First, years of driving experience and age of driver. After calculating measure of central tendency of these two data, we can interpret average of driver that is most likely to accident is with 4.0 to 82 years of driving experience. Both drivers involved in an accident with 5 years of driving experience. 50% of driver having less than 2.97 62 years of driving experience, while other 50% of driver having more than 2.9762 years of driving experience. By referring Pearson measure of skewness, which is the value is negative 0.2367, we can conclude data is negatively skewed. For age of driver, average age of driver that is usually involved in an accident is 33.9196 years. Most age of driver in an accident is 26.7727 years. More than 50% of driver in an accident with age of 29.0491 years. Meanwhile, less than 50% of driver in an accident with age of 29.0491 years. By referring Pearson measure of skewness, which is the value is 0.5129, we can conclude data is positively skewed. Based on both data, most suitable measure of central tendency to study data is mean. It is because from mean, we can see which class age and years of driving experience that is most likely to involve in accident. Instead of using standard variation, we can only see the dispersion of class age and years of driving experience only. So, we can conclude our study. After analyzing data, we made out our expectation result in our study. We find that middle-aged driver with 2 until 5 years of driving experience is tend to involve in an accident, as well as most of the vehicle is driven by men.
Conclude, the objective of the study is achieved and we are able to analyze measure of central tendency, determine the shape of data distribution and present traffic accidents in descriptive statistics involving 373 respondents. Most of the respondents are from men and men are more prone to road traffic accidents. Most drivers with 5 year experience involved in accidents. However, we also need to take note of how much rest a driver gets before departure. Therefore, it is always crucial to take a good rest before departure to avoid sleep deprivation, experiencing microsleep, etc. Furthermore, always take precautions, read signs and drive below the speed limit so that nothing unfortunate happens. It is also good to bring a co-driver so that one can change shift with another.